Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and pick up the battery. Just put it inside the battery bay. Just be careful with these terminals. You want to push them to the side. Alright, let's go ahead and remove these terminal covers. Let's go ahead and put in the positive side in first. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's go ahead and secure this one with a 10mm first. Alright, and there it is, nice and tight. Let's go ahead and close that up. Let's go ahead and put in our negative terminal now. And let's go ahead and secure this as well with a 10mm socket. Alright, and once you have that nice and secured, let's go ahead and put the battery clamp that goes right down there. Let's go ahead and put the clamp in with the screw. And just try to make sure you don't drop this as it's going in. This will be a size 13mm socket. There it is. You will need an extension. So let's go ahead and put that sucker in there. And once you have it in there, just go ahead and make it nice and secure, nice and tight. That way the battery doesn't go anywhere and you're set. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, let's go ahead and fire it up. There it is. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.